Non-verbal reasoning. Series 4. Non-verbal reasoning series of problems involve identifying the logical pattern in a sequence of figures to predict the next image and use the diagrams, shapes, and codes instead of words to test your analytical thinking ability and problem-solving skills. You need to identify the logical pattern in a sequence of figures to predict the next image that are diagrams and shapes to test the sharpness of your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. Analyze the pattern. Select the correct answer from the 5 options that follow the pattern. 5-second challenge. Test your fast thinking ability. Can you solve this series recognition puzzle in just 5 seconds? If yes, you are a great person. Understanding the structural composition and visual patterns within each problem figure is essential for identifying relationships and sequences. Each box contains one arrow and one circle. Positional patterns. The placement and orientation of the arrows and the circle provide critical clues for solving the pattern sequence. Consistent figure. One arrow and one circle is seen in each of these 5 boxes. 2. The arrow changes position in the box. It is at the top left corner in the first box, bottom left corner in the second, bottom right in the third, and top right corner in the fourth box, again top left in the fifth. Also, the arrow changes the direction. In the first, it faces southeast, and in the second, it is facing northwest. Again, in the third, it is southeast. This goes on. The circle changes position in the box. It is at the left middle portion in the first box, and the middle portion of the second box, and the right middle portion in the third box, and returns to the left middle in the fourth. The circle changes color. Black becomes yellow and then black again. Deductions. The arrow moves 90 degrees anti-clockwise and changes direction alternately. The circle moves from left to right in the middle. Also, circle takes 2 different colors. This consistency in the pattern helps eliminate incorrect options and identify the correct answer. Evaluation. Incorrect options identified. In the first box, the arrow and the circle are in the wrong position. In the second, the circle is in the wrong position. In the third, the arrow is in the wrong position. In the fourth, the direction of the arrow is wrong. Viable solution for the fourth figure. In the problem figure, in the fourth box, the arrow is at the top left corner and is facing southeast. The circle is in the middle and is black. Fifth figure in the option answer figures gives the correct position of the arrow and the circle. The correct answer, option 5, is the correct answer. The arrow is at the bottom left corner and is facing southwest. The circle is in the middle right part of the box and is yellow. Key takeaways. Master nonverbal reasoning by focusing on systematic pattern analysis, strategic elimination, consistent practice to enhance problem-solving skills. Carefully analyze the color sequences and spatial arrangements to identify the underlying pattern rules. Elimination. Systematically eliminate options that violate established patterns to narrow down correct choices. Practice for accuracy and speed. Regular practice helps accuracy and speed. Our future videos. Enjoy, subscribe, like.